Hello guys, I welcome you all at Health and Happiness by Ranjana. So I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna share with you my parcel from Amazon. I placed this order on 23rd and it got delivered to me on 29th in 6 days. Quite good time because this is what they mentioned while placing the order. So let's see what is inside this. This is the parcel and this is about a workout gear. Not one workout gear, it was a bundle offer. So let's see what is there inside this. So this is the box, and if you're thinking there is just an ab roller inside the box, no it's not. It was a bundle offer and there are many things inside this. So let's see. Open this and let's see what is there. So first there is a jump rope. Okay, next there are resistance band of different thickness and different intensity. This is very loose for low intensity. There is this one with moderate intensity. Let's open this. You can see the packaging is quite okay. So this is moderate thickness. This is the maximum thickness band. With highest intensity, it's difficult to pull it with two hands also. So here you are getting 3 resistance band, low, moderate and maximum intensity. Let's check the jump rope also. So this is the jump rope. I removed the covering and this was also packed quite okay. So okay, this rope is quite strong. I'm satisfied. And the handles, there is nice cushion. I like the cushion as well, and it feels that if you're sweating it won't slip from your hands, so I like it. It's pretty good. So this was the jump rope. The length is also quite good, like it feels like around 2 meters. So the length is also okay. Then let's see what is there now. What is this? This was something I wanted to order from really long time, and these are the sliders for abs. I'm really excited to have them. So these are the ab gliders or sliders, whatever you call them. So they slide really well on the surface very easily. And here where we hold them, it's quite soft. I like the surface as well. So I'm really happy, really satisfied with my ab gliders or ab sliders. Let's see what is there now. You can see the wheels, 2 wheels, handles and the rod to hold these things. This is made with nice metal. This is really strong. We cannot break it like that unless we are trying hard and using a machine to break it. So it's quite strong. And this small plastic like cylindrical thing is there to maintain the distance, and this is how we will make it ready. It's quite simple. So here I have my ab roller. So this is a really good thing for your abs if you want really strong abs. Let's see what is there inside now. So you see this, it was kept like this. So basically this is the knee mat, a small knee mat, quite good for this price. So this small knee mat was kept like this, and all the stuff was kept inside this. So the packaging is quite smart. They have not used any excess thermocol or something to protect the things, but they have used the small mat quite smartly. So yes, it's good. There is very less wastage except these small covers, polythene bags, but that is there when we buy something. I hope there is a way where we don't have to even take these polythene bags, but still it is much less compared to what we normally buy. So very less wastage in terms of packing. So quite good, I like it. So let's check the item. A small knee mat, ab roller, glider, 3 things, right? Then jump rope, 4 things, and resistance band with different levels of intensity. So it was a really good offer. I had checked and all the reviews were positive. So that's why I have ordered this from Amazon. And let me tell you the price. This is the receipt and it says the price is 1,209, but it's not very clear. Can you see this? It's not very clear, so if the price is different, I will mention this on the screen, but it looks like it is 1,209. So for this price, or maybe the price can be a little more or a little less, but I knew that the price was really good, really attractive. So for this price, these many things for your workout, it will be a complete gym, a small intense cute gym with all the workout gears you may need. So this is what about today's haul, and I'm really happy about these things. I'm really satisfied. I just got these things delivered to me and I thought to make the video immediately so that you still have this offer on Amazon. So I'm sharing the link in the description box. Please check the link. I think you will like this because the price is really attractive for all these items in a bundle. So please check the link, and I hope you have liked this video. I hope to see you again in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye-bye.